Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am here with this important question. Integrate this function with respect to x. So start the question. Let I for integration and the integration of this function with respect to variable x. And the function is cos x natural log of sin x divided by sin x and integrate with respect to variable x. Okay. Firstly, students, this is a very complex and mixed question. So you need to resolve into a simple fraction. So use suitable substitution similar to my previous lecture, and let's suppose let this one. So in this question there are the two different type of a function. Simple one mostly trigonometric, and then is a natural logarithm. Okay, and the natural log of again trigonometric function. So let this one, let natural log of sin x as y. Okay, you take any variable, let's suppose y, and then again the differentiate on both sides. Differentiate the derivative of a natural log is 1 over x, and in this case natural log of sin x, it means 1 over sin x. Okay, and the derivative of function sin x. Similarly, y it becomes dy. Again 1 over x as it is 1 over sin x, and this one the derivative of a sine, it becomes cos into dx, and here dy. Okay, these are two substitutions. Firstly, the natural log of a sin x is equal to y, and the whole this function is become dy. So students, by using these two functions and this, it becomes. But now firstly, arrange the function. This one, natural log of sin x, and here sin x and cos x dx. So student, see this one, cos dx divided by sin dx, which is cos dx over sin x. It means this is equal to dy, and this one ln of sin, natural log of sin is equal to y, and this the whole term is become the dy. So students, it becomes a very simple question. This is the power rule, simple. So and it becomes y power 2 divided by 2 plus c. Okay, so this is the integration of this function. Very simple question. So using the value of a y, put in this function, and your result is here. Finally, the result of this integration is y square. Y means this one, natural log of sin x, so square 1 by 2 plus c. This one. Okay, so this critical question, but after this substitution it becomes a very simple function and you can easily integrate, and after this put the value with you substitution. Okay, this is the question. So I hope so student you understand this one, and if you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.